Feel me. Is that even possible? Hello and welcome to our new video. We left you guys at the beach. Now we are going to kind of mountain, not really, anyway. We are going to a very special place. Now a quick stop to gas station, and as soon as Fiala comes back we hit the motorway. We are going to stop. It's very far. We are going to stop halfway in one of our favorite places to have lunch. But yeah, you're going to see everything.
And we are here to... What's the name of the place? San Valentino. Have a break. It's going to have a lunch. Going to have a panino. And then we have to go to our camp. And where you go, Ellie?
Family at work, collecting some wild blueberries before going back to the car. Yes, we are all together, and look, I hope you can see all the blue. It's full. So full. Yeah. So full. Can't wait to have them in my porridge tomorrow morning. Big Molly here. In the past, I used to come here when I was little with my family every year, and we used to collect so many blueberries. And even until a couple of years ago, we used to come and really collect bottles full of blueberries. And I used to make jam. That it's one of my favorite, wild blueberries jam. But now, with this big tummy, I collected for 5 minutes and I'm already dizzy and tired. So I let them doing the job, and I'm just watching and relaxing because I have to drive after. Yee. Okay, let's see Edlin's tongue. Ooh, all purple, like your t-shirt. This is what we got, half bottle. We would like to get more, but we have to.
Ma sei sicura che posso dormire? Che voglio vedere se posso dormire. No. Bellissimo, io dormo lì. Devi aprire la finestra.
You're not trying to go out?
Oh my gosh.
Che calze sono? Daddy, guarda.
Are you going to break the house, you know?
For sure.
At the back, there is this tiny river. Perfect for the kids to have a little swim. Cold? Ice cold?
Yeah, really cold. It's time for dinner.
I'm quite tired of the travel, but this place is so quiet and I love it already.
Yeah.
Night activities in this camp, learning how to play tennis. Good morning. Just came back from amazing shopping. Our friends are coming to visit us, her friend. She's Samoan and he's Swiss. So it's going to be a nice reunion. And we're going to make barbecue, so here is all the big shopping.
Yeah.
Chilling. Have it.
Yes.
That is the main house and it's a bed and breakfast and the owners live there. And that was open 16 years ago. And then slowly they started building all these houses, the one we are inside, all by themselves. And then they built that one, which is the common room, and then they ordered from Mongolia the yurta, and they built the Indian ones. So cool the work they have done. This place is amazing, so if you come to Switzerland you have to visit them, absolutely. The teepee. Look how cool is this place. And the Mongolian yurta. This is only one of the 3 yurtas. This is the normal one. The other ones have Mongolian design inside and you can actually cook. This is the traditional one.
Today it was really bad. It's a raining day.
Should be the last. Should be the last raining day.
Hope so.
So we are planned to go to the cheese factory and cheese restaurant to have a cheese day.
I think she's not happy at all. She wants to go home. We decided to go back home.
We wanted to see the village, but no. In 10 minutes we have to leave and join my brother in a Swiss restaurant, which is half an hour from here. And then we have to go visit the cheese factory. It's very cold. I didn't think it would be so cold, so we are in bed under the blanket. Yeah.
Merci.
We had amazing lunch, a nice walk. The village is so cute, so traditional. And now we are going to the cheese factory. It's unbelievable the quantity of things they are produced here. They make herbal spirit. They have their own cheese, milk. They have their own beer. They produce some sweet things, which is kind of a sweet bread with inside something made of pear, and also with nuts inside, like a cream. Anyway, so many things. Plus they work wood. We are inside the factory. They gave us this box with all the little pieces of cheese to taste. So they gave us bags to make our own tea.
Sì?
Senti.
Ma io lo mischio.
Good morning.
Good morning. Making breakfast. The sun is out finally, and we can go to explore new places. And then chocolate factory in the afternoon. We are almost there. We are about to start our walk on the trees. Hi, baby.
Okay, and this is the first part of today.
It was really relaxing.
We are just arrived here in a chocolate factory. It's looking like a Willy Wonka. Yeah, Ellen, are you ready?
We found the Willy Wonka factory.
Yeah.
As you come, you go inside the cinema and you watch a small documentary on how everything was created. And we were like, okay, but how do we go inside the factory? At the end of the documentary, the screen goes up and there is a secret door that let you go inside this place. I'm just waiting for the Umpa Lumpa to come out.
So try chocolate. So Ellen want to take all those chocolates and fill inside her glass.
I'm spying on Edlin and she's outside playing with that cute little baby. I don't know how old he is, but it's so cute. And she's like babysitting him. She's looking after him. So cute to watch. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are sad. We are leaving this place. Edlin was crying this morning. She's like, Mommy, I don't want to go home. We don't have rush to go home. Like, actually, all the opposite. We want to take it easy and see where today takes us, brings us, or whatever.
Okay.
Bye, beautiful place.
Here we are in.
We have decided to stop in Romanhorn, a city on the Lake of Constance. Enjoying the day.
Enjoy the day and
The sun, the lake. We don't want to go back home.
yeah.
We were next village last year camping. You can check out the video of it. Check out the video to see how cool was that water. And in front of us should be Germany. We found one of our favorite places to eat is Thai food. And usually, especially in the German part of Switzerland, portions are really small. And here we found a place run by Thai people. And I have to show you what we got. These portions are messy. Lucky me and Edlin ordered one to share. That is Fila's portion. Happy kiddo there. And yes, they are homemade. I can't wait to try it. We found something and we want to surprise this one. Surprise! You know, it's a present for you. You have to wait there. Daddy is going to show you. What is that?
So welcome back, and we are just right here where we close where we live, and this is our group. Hey guys.
Come here. Touch it.
How's the water?
Ice.
Come here.
Pure ice.
Come here, Daddy. Get right here.
It's ice, eh?
Really cold. I think it's 5 degrees, even less. Less
But
than 2 degrees.
very nice.
Wow, the water is fresh. Wow, feel recover now?
Yeah,
Feel refreshed.
like you had to do something until now.
Yeah. We on our way home.
Like my style to drive.
Yeah. I want to say thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. If you like movie with us, subscribe, like, and comment. And see you guys next time.